Hey everybody, Mortgage Rob with Invis. I wanted to talk a little bit today about the portability of a mortgage. A real common question that I get, especially in a market like today in the spring market, where clients are buying from, moving from a condo to a townhouse or a townhouse to a single family dwelling, and they have an existing mortgage. In many cases, you're told by your lender that you're able to port, or the actual term is portability of your mortgage. You're allowed to move it to the new property. But what generally happens is that that mortgage is not exactly what you need. You might need more money, you might need less money. And so you end up having to rewrite the mortgage in the process. Depending on the lender, there's a number of different ways that this gets handled. Some lenders are able to blend your current mortgage with the additional funds at the new or current interest rates, and you end up with a different interest rate, but at the end of the day your penalty gets waived. Some lenders don't even have that feature, where you don't have an option but to either take the existing mortgage as is and get a second mortgage for the new money, or you have to pay a penalty to rewrite the whole mortgage. So it does get rather confusing. Another thing that generally or quite commonly happens is that you agree to sell your place, and then when you go to put an offer in on a new place, you can't find a place in time, and so you end up having to close and then you live somewhere temporarily. Lenders will allow you up to 6 months usually to find a new place, get a new mortgage with that old lender, and then they'll reimburse the penalty to you. So, but it can get very complicated. It can get kind of stressful. The portability feature is one thing that you should really be checking on your mortgage prior to getting it. So if you're already in a place, already with a mortgage, and you find out the portability feature isn't that great, well, it's unfortunately too late to do anything at this point. So next time around, make sure that that's something that you go over with your existing lender. Ask them the question, what happens if I sell my property and get a new property before the term is up? So something that generally I'll make sure that I do discuss with clients as I try to understand a little bit more what their plans are, what their short-term and longer-term goals are with the property. So again, portability can be a complex feature. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. Basically getting some documents about your existing mortgage, I can help you walk through that process. So hopefully I've been able to shed some light on portability. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or email. You can email me at rob@mortgagerob.ca or phone me directly at 778-686-8326. Have a great day.